Welcome students. Today I take a science subject lesson 2 matter and materials. Everything in the universe is made up of matter. In this world we need to explore many different materials. We can measure, see or feel the materials. Different types of materials have different properties that make them useful for various purposes. Most materials have more than one property. Already I discussed about properties of materials in the last session. What are the properties? The first one, hard and soft materials, shiny and dull materials, rough and smooth materials, flexible and rigid material, waterproof material. Today I discuss about other two properties of flexible and rigid material, waterproof material. What do you mean by flexible material? Materials which can be bent or stretched easily. For example, rubber band and electric wire. What do you mean by flexible? Materials which can be bent or stretched easily. Bent means to make something straight become curved. Example, rubber band. Then stretched means to extend or spread. For example, to stretch a rope across the road. Children, what do you mean by flexible? Flexible means materials which can be easily bent or stretched. For example, rubber band, electric wire and cycle tube. Next we will move to rigid material. Materials which cannot be bent or stretched easily. For example, a stick, wooden scale and stone. Next, properties of waterproof material. What do you mean by waterproof material? Materials that do not allow water to pass through them. What do you mean by waterproof? Materials that do not allow water to pass through them. That is known as waterproof material. For example, raincoat, aluminium strip, etc. Thank you for listening, students.